Hello guys, welcome to Logic's Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression. If you are genius, then solve this question just in 30 seconds. But if you are student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, then follow my method. I can solve these questions step by step. So guys, we can know about PEMDAS rule, where P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, M stand for multiplication, D stand for addition, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Remember that guys, parentheses have higher priority than other operation. Similarly, multiplication and division have equal priority, but we have to from left to right. Also guys, similarly, addition and subtraction have equal priority and we can solve it from left to right. But the final things which you can remember that multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So guys, I can remove these points. If you note it, then note, hurry up, I can remove it. Okay, so now we can solve these questions step by step. Guys, we can know about KCF rule. Mostly people do not know about KCF rule, and he can cancel 4 and 4 with each other, and the answer is 40 divided by 5 times 1. And next step, mostly people can write it as that 40 divided by 5 is 8. And this is the answer of him. But guys, this answer is not correct, because the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, which I can before explain to you. Now guys, one thing which you can remember that, which is KCF rule, where K stand for keep, C stand for change, F stand for flip. We can write this fraction as 40 multiply by 4 divided by 5 multiply by 4. KCF rule state that numerator is changed to denominator and denominator is changed to numerator. So I can write it as, now guys, here 5 and 40 cancel with each other. 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 5 it is 8. Now here guys, 8 multiplied by 4 is 32 times 4. 32 times 4 guys equal to 128. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment, I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of amazing and interesting questions. Thanks a lot.